I trust you all are doing well. You are welcome to. On today's episode, I'll be doing something different, teaching you guys how I prepare my shakes. Join me through the journey on how I prepare the whole thing.
Wonder where we at, I tell them we gon' go. Raising myself a glass, I'm trying to have me a toast. Got money on my mind, family doing good. I'm pouring another wine, I'm living life how I should. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. Yeah, that's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. Yeah, okay.
So step 1, I'll be introducing all the products you need to use for the shake, and I will recommend some other items you need to get for your shake. If you ain't able to get the right one, trust me, in your local market you'll get these things and you'll get it done. I'll be introducing this to you. This is KP honey. This is honey. It's used for the shake. I think I'm not going to disclose the price. Just check out the price in my bio. We'll also be needing almond. This is almond seed. It's very useful and it's effective as well. Chia Seeds, as you can see, you can get this in our local market as well. This is the Almond Milk. These are great yogurts, and you can get this at the mall, any supermarket of your choice. There are different type of Greek yogurts. There is sweetened, as you can see. There is sweetened and unsweetened. I think this is sweetened, so I'll be using this for my. So this is Jif. This is like peanut butter. It has different products. There are different products you can use, but this is what I'm using because I actually googled this and it's much effective. You can as well use this. I think it has different products of oats you can use. The one I use, I forgot the name already. It's not like this popular one, but as well it's effective. If you check it online, you can use any oat of your choice as well. As you can see, this is oats. Without this, your shake won't be complete. If you as well, using banana, some use plantain, but for me, I use banana for my shake. This is creatine monohydrate. This is actually important. I add this to my own shake, but some decide to just they use it only. You can use this with actually water alone. Hold on, there is one more thing. One more thing. This is strawberry, guys. This is strawberry. It's actually still important. It's just give this your shake this spice, you understand. It's filtered the whole thing. It's actually very nice. If you can afford buying strawberries, you can as well. I use this strawberry too, but sometimes I decide to just do my shake like this without this. There are other stuff you can use for shake, if you check online, but this is how I do mine. So join me as we prepare this together. Make sure when you're watching this, if you love what I do, if you love my vibe and you gain 1 or 2 in this video, do well to subscribe. Do well to subscribe, like, comment and share with your friends. Thank you. So join me as I'll be preparing this. Also, what you need to do is to add your oats. That's just the number one thing you need to do. Add your oats. So we'll be adding our oats. You can actually use any size of oats you need, depending on how plenty you need your shake to be. But for me, I'll be using this cup, and this cup, I think this is just 250 ml. I'm using this 250 ml, 1.5 of it. Let's go, guys. Using 1.5. Make sure you gauge whatever you're doing, so you're going to get the exact results you need. Yes, I think we're good like this. So done with this. Then the next thing we are adding is our banana. You can use plantain, you can also use banana, but for me I do use banana, and depending on how plenty you need your shake to be and how effective as well you need your shakes to be. But for me I'll be using 3 banana. Yeah, it's fine. Let's go. So the next thing to use is our almonds. The reason why I'm actually using this almonds this time is just because you can't, if you don't add this almond, it won't wet this oat, and probably some blender won't even be able to blend the whole thing together. So you need to add this to filter the whole thing using our almond milk. And remember, you can get this at any supermarket, any store anymore. Let's just add this like this. Okay. Regarding our Chia Seeds, you can get this in any local supermarket. They're adding this to it. Make sure you're also giving this particular Chia Seed because it's very very tiny and you don't want to waste this in your shake. Yeah, this is like the milk and this is like the seed. So we'll be adding this. Also gauging this as well, we can't add everything at once. All these are very very expensive in the market now. So next we'll be adding our honey. You can use any type of honey, local honey, forage honey, anyone. You can add 2 spoons of this or 3 spoons depending on how you want it. Make sure whenever you're doing this, you are always measuring anything you want to add to it. It's very very important, so you won't waste whatever product you are using. Like I said, you can also get this. I don't think you can get this in the local market. The only place where you can get this is at the mall. And you can use the sweetened one and you can use the unsweetened one depending on how you want your shake to be. I'm going to add the usefulness of this crispy but I'll never put that I'm using in my bio in the description below. So yeah, that's this way. I'm so sorry guys. No, I just have to taste it. That's just the major issue. Once you buy this crispy but the sweetened one, you'll be tempted to taste this. Our protein, I just add 1 spoon of this. It has measurements already. I'm using 1 spoon of this. You need the price of this product and you need like the right plum to get all these things. Yeah. The next thing to use is our peanut butter. You can use any product of your choice. Be adding let me see, I'll be adding 2 spoons of this, but make sure your 2 spoons is full. Exactly. So some people actually like prefer adding half of this product, then grind it, then add the next one, depending on how fast and how perfect their grinder is actually working. Like this is the main the main man here. This is the main man. As a gym rat, you need to get this for it's going to help you, it's going to go a long way for you. This is a serious mass. You can get this in any site of your choice. But if you need a plug for this, I'd recommend you to my plug, the show plug. There'll be a discount for it, trust me. Just DM. We're adding 1 spoon of this and half, yeah. It should be like 1 spoon and half. The full spoon is 250 ml. While the half spoon, I think this should be 150 or in between 150 and 100 ml. This is the main man here. As you can see, this is the full cup. Adding half of this. Yeah. Exactly. We're almost done, guys. Make sure you get yours. Yeah. So we're grinding all this together before we add the next item to it. Make sure you're mixing all this together, because when this grinder is carrying every weight, it's going to be hard to grind. Just need to keep mixing them together, stir it together, then grind it again until it smells. I think we are good now, guys. So guys, we're adding our last ingredient to this shake, then we are done with our shake. We're adding our strawberry, we're adding I think we'll be adding egg to it, just 1 egg. Some people don't actually use egg, but I would add it. It's just giving me this different vibe when drinking this thing. So when serving the drink for myself. So depending on how you want it, just like I said, if you're adding this to it, this actually just spices it up, it filter it a little bit, give it this taste. Let's add just 3 or 4 or 5, and make sure you are raising this. Then you want to continue. So just like that, guys, we are ready to serve. You can also add your ice to it, or your blocks, or whatever you guys call it, I don't know. You can add it to it to just pass it, or probably just serve it for yourself, then reserve it, put it inside the freezer or fridge or whatever is in your house, then just for a while, then you serve yourself, just like that. This will be the end of this episode. So if you like what I do, if you love this and it helps you a lot, Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you.
Yeah, flex your muscles.
See you on the next. Okay. God.
Wonder where we at, I tell them we gon' go. Raising myself a glass, I'm tryna have me a toast. Got money on my mind, family doing good. I'm pouring another wine, I'm living life how I should. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. Yeah, that's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. Yeah.